Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video then, something a little bit different. Now, I've literally got an hour to be out with the camera. We've actually had snow here in Peterborough, which never happens. Now, when I say we've had snow here, we've not had it like other parts of the country where they've had an absolute barrage of snow. We never get that here. However, Mrs. S and I were sat watching TV last night. The snow started to come down, so we've got this nice light dusting. And I have a plan for today. And I'm literally after just one shot. It's what I deem a Christmas card shot. So I've come down to the back end of Ferry Meadows. Just come for a quick bimble round here. As I say, I've only got an hour out with the camera. So I need to try and get that one shot. And I was literally just walking down and I saw a kingfisher. However, it is still roughly 15 minutes till sunrise. The light is pretty good considering the time. However, I ended up shooting at 1/60th f6.3 and the ISO was still ramping up to 10,000. So I don't know if I've managed to get a shot of the kingfisher in a snowy tree. We will see. I will put up my best effort in one moment. So I've decided to wait here for a sort of another 10 minutes, wait till sunrise is official and the world just brightens up. It's supposed to be perfectly clear skies, as I say, so I'm hoping to actually get some light. It's probably going to be a very short video, this one, but we're just going to see if we can actually get that Christmas card shot that I've kind of been after. Oh, I'll tell you what, you can tell it's cold when I pull out the silly hat. I've got my deer hunter on to try and keep my ears warm. I've got a neck buff on. I've got my base layers on. To be fair, Met Office did say that it was going to be -4 with a feels like temperature of -8. So it's rather fresh and chilly. But it's actually quite still. The gusts are about highs of 12 or 14 miles an hour, so it's very calm, very still, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love days like this, crisp underfoot. So I sat in that spot for a bit longer, probably another sort of 10 minutes, and maybe not even that long, to be fair. I got distracted by a blue tit as well. No more sightings of the kingfisher at the moment, but I am going to keep walking along this, along the river, because I think there is the possibility that we may see him again. There are some small birds flitting around, and that's the thing with this whole Christmas card shot, is I'm not actually bothered what type of bird it is. I mean, obviously, if I can get something like a kingfisher in my Christmas card shot, that would be amazing. But you know what? If I could get a traditional robin, that would be cool. If I can get a blue tit, like the one I just got, not the most snowy of scenes, which is a shame, but anything like that would be absolutely fantastic. As I say, I'm very, very limited on time. Today is also supposed to be a really, really clear, bright, sunny day. And as a result, it's probably going to melt this dusting of snow that we have. So the adventure continues. Gonna keep walking on. I've got very strong coffee. Let's go see what we can see. Okay, so what can be more of a traditional Christmas card shot than a little robin sat on a snowy bush that's got red berries in it? Managed to catch one. The problem I've got is that we are still, well, I actually think we are now officially at sunrise. But the problem is we've obviously got, where the sun is, a line of trees which is still just blocking the light a little bit, and I had the camera down at 1 160th of a second, f6.3, and the ISO was still quite high. So I'm working with a thin depth of field, quite close, slow shutter speed. So unfortunately, I'm not sure how well they came out. I'm hoping for a little bit of Lightroom magic can actually clean up the image so it's not as noisy, and I can get it nice and sharp as well. However, I did also get a picture of, might have been a crow, I need to have a proper look, a corvid of some kind, sat on top of a slightly lightly dusted, snow-covered cut down tree. So I've got a couple of shots, not the absolute perfect shot that I've been after. But the search continues. However, I really do not have long. I need to be back at the car in about half an hour. So yeah, as I say, I've got about an hour out with the camera. We are searching, but I can't go too far. As I say, to see that kingfisher this morning was always a blessing anyway, but to see him and actually get a picture of him in a snowy condition would be absolutely phenomenal. But unfortunately, as I say, I don't think I managed it. I don't think the quality of the image is going to be very good. But yeah, that would be a perfect Christmas card shot. So if that manages to come out really well, everyone's going to get bombarded with that for Christmas. So yeah, stick with us then. I'm going to keep searching for more wildlife. Obviously it's cold, so they don't want to get up out of bed. Trust me, I didn't want to get up out of bed this morning, so I don't blame them. I'll stick up the last couple of images then that you've not seen, and I'm going to keep walking. Let's see if we can actually get that one shot.
Things still grow where we don't go. There's still love unwritten of. Deep in thick, no cameras clear. That's just rust and crumbling brick.
Not gonna lie, it is absolutely beautiful this morning. That sun has now come up. As you can see on my face, I've got that beautiful orange glow. Over to this side, as you can see, we've got snow and everything. The ground is crunching under my feet. And do you know what? It's just an absolute pleasure to be out. However, I need to be back at the car in about 20 minutes. This is not what I want. Trust me, I want to be out here for as long as possible. There's a section here of some bushes. Where is it? Around here-ish. You can see that light on them, that beautiful orange light. Snow covered. Well, snow tipped anyway. I'll say covered. But no birds. No birds at all. Ah, but this is just a blessing. Look at that colour on my face. gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Tell you what, my fingertips are freezing. So I've got those sealskin ones with the pop-off fingers. And yeah, my extremities are rather chilly because they're not the most insulated. Oh man, what a beautiful morning. Yeah, so nothing else of note really. I've been having a wander around. I've been trying to keep an eye on the main lake they've got here called Gunwade Lake, and it's frozen. Large body of water is frozen, and I cannot say I'm surprised. It is damn cold, and I was hoping that one of the kingfish would be around to make the most of this snow and the light. But sadly, I've not been that fortunate this morning. I've seen widgeons, I've seen mallards, yeah, but nothing else of note at the moment. Unfortunately, the pictures of the ducks and stuff wouldn't be any good because it's not Christmassy enough. They're all off. They've heard me gassing to you guys. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to keep hunting for hopefully a small bird to land in a snowy tree. Just over sort of 10 minutes. I'm going to have to head back to the car. I'm going to have to turn around and start making my way back to the car. Fortunately, the light will be behind me at that point. So yeah. Let's go see if I can get anything else from this morning. Okay, so time to close out. I'm rushing back to the car because just had an amazing session with some long-tailed tits. Not exactly the Christmas card shot that I was after, but they were in a tree. It was beautifully lit by this morning light, and yeah, you'll have seen them already. So yeah, it was absolutely brilliant. Managed to get it to f6.3 1/400th of a second, and I think it was shooting at about ISO 400 to 640 or something like that. So yeah, fantastic opportunity, but I'm rushing back to the car. I told you I had an hour to do it. I don't know if I've done it or not. It's probably going to take a lot of work in Lightroom to get the images like I want them to, but we will see. Sorry, I've descended into darkness. My mic is on this side of my jacket and the sun is right behind me. It is gorgeous this morning, and I would do anything to be able to stay out longer. And I know that I would be able to get that shot that I've been craving, the Christmas card shot. But never mind. It's been beautiful this morning. I'm going to turn my camera this way so you can actually see me.